As y'all saw in the thumbnail, I have 3 packages that came in from Supreme. This is 2 different weeks, and this is probably gonna be a video that's on the shorter side, but hey, if you do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on here as well. But with all that out the way, let's get straight into this video. These are the 2 more recent ones that came in, and I'm gonna open one of them first. It's weird because I ordered these shits together, but they came in separately. So I was confused. See if we got any stickers. We got the little money symbol sticker, Team Supreme joint, regular BOGO. Probably my favorite, the don't fuck around sticker. This one's mad small, but I think it's sick. In this package, we had 1 tee, and it was the Irak tee in the black. This was a size large. I'm gonna try it for y'all because honestly, I think I'm gonna end up keeping this shit. I love the graffiti on this one, and here's what it looks like. The first graffiti marker I picked up was actually this foil type silver color. That's probably why I have an attachment to this piece. It's kind of weird, I know, but I remember my homie in like 2nd, 3rd grade, I think, showed up with like a lime green deco color marker, and I'm like, bro, them shits is hard. I ended up going to Hobby Lobby and I picked up this foil type metallic color. Bro, I've been hooked ever since, but I'm gonna actually throw this one on for y'all. Low-key have been picking up more size larges because I don't have that many, so this is a good addition to the collection. Let me know how y'all think this fits. I feel like it's a little bit more tailored to my body, but it's not a bad thing, you feel me? This one's definitely better. Low-key, I feel like the fabric on my shit gonna be better than this, bro. Like, but this is the Irak tee. It has that print on the front with the Irak and like a foil metallic silver type beat. Let me know what y'all thinking of the first tee. Second up, we have this package, which is probably my favorite thing in this unboxing. Rip through real quick. Y'all probably gonna see it before me, but it's okay. It comes in this box, and they gave me the Tekken sticker. Let's get it. Low-key, in addition to the collection, Tekken on the back or whatever. Even slid me the little pumpkin sticker. Hey, I appreciate it. One day I'm gonna do a collection video for y'all. I got some pretty good ones at this point. Nothing else in the box. We do have the aluminum Dominos set. These are actually clean, bro. I haven't seen them yet in hand, so we're equally as excited right now. Let's see what they looking like in person. Come in the little box, obviously. This is an expensive accessory. This was almost like 170, 180 something after shipping, and it's probably worth it. These are literally all metal, duh, hence the name. And it's heavy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This probably got like a good 5 to 6 pounds on it. Got that Supreme on the front. Comes in like this metal casing, almost looks like bricks of gold inside of there. That is fire. You can see the numbers on the bottom. That's clean. Open this up, and you do got the Dominos inside. That's fire, bro. I'm not gonna pull out all of them for the sake of the video because literally I would have to get a big ass table. Here's what one of them looks like. Has the Supreme on one side. On the other side, you have the numbers which are carved into the metal. So obviously I mentioned the price of these Dominos. Look at the quality control on the shit. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to notice it, but these already came scratched up. Like somebody had a game in these bitches before sending them to me. Those marks y'all seeing on here aren't even dirt, bruh. Those are scratches. So I don't know, bro. That's kind of steep. That's kind of steep, but it is what it is. These shits are clean at the end of the day. One last look on the Dominos. I love the case, the way that it makes it look. I do gotta say, bro, these shits are heavy. Like, this shit is at least like 6 pounds, bro. But I'm excited to hopefully one day get a game with these. They back there. Y'all could hopefully see it. Hopefully I use them. Who the fuck knows, bro? So in the midst of editing this video, I actually got another package from Supreme, which makes it the 3rd week we're gonna be unboxing in this video. Leave a like on this shit just for the dedication. I recently ordered something else, which is gonna be coming soon, but I didn't really want to wait to upload this shit even longer. So here we are. Couple stickers in here actually. Another Supreme BOGO. Another one of these shits. I'm guessing these were hella common. And we got this one right here. Y'all know YouTube tweaking, so I'm not really gonna show it too much. We got the Ayo one. The Banti sticker. But in this last package, we have a ski mask, bro. I don't know who's out here thugging or why I even bought this, but the impulse got the best of me. So let's see what this shit look like. A sock, bro. Has that 3M reflective on the side of it. I kind of like this. It's on the thinner side, so when it gets brick out here, we're gonna be skied up from the knees up. Let me see what this looks like on. Look like a whole burglar with this shit on, bro. whole burglar fit going on. Honestly, I wouldn't even wear this shit like this. The way people be wearing it is rolled up all the way to the top. If it gets brick, you roll it down type shit. But yeah, the next pickup was the little Pooh Shiesty Scully. Remember, this is 3M. It came in a couple colors, but honestly, the only one I would get is the one that I got, the black one. So yeah, back to the past when we open the rest of these packages. Yo, tell me like this shit don't look like I'm selling essential oil up the block. Like, stop playing. But last up, we had this tee. Hopefully they gave me some fire stickers. Regular BOGO, another Supreme team, another one of these, and another one of these. Deadass gave me the same stickers again. But in this one, we got this olive cast tee. Homie's basically wearing a cast. This light olive color was looking nice, so I said, fuck it, let me get it. Pull this one out. Homie basically wearing some dunks. Then he got the little boot on. At first, I ain't even peeped that this was a boot. I thought he was wearing two different sneakers, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This one does have the Supreme BOGO under it. Little subtle hit. Has the Irak hit right here. I also do fuck with this light olive color. I feel like it's a clean tone. Something more simple coming from Supreme, not a bright color. But on the back of this one's probably my favorite part with this Supreme graffiti hit. Y'all already know how much I fuck with the graffiti, so this shit right here for me is everything, bro. I love the fact it's on the back but at the bottom, because normally graffiti is in like different places, sometimes hidden type shit, and I feel like it's clean on this, bro. I fuck with this. I feel like if it had this on the front, this on the back, that would have been hard to me, you feel me? To each his own, but that would have been hard to me. I feel like this shirt is clean nonetheless. You got a lot of different vibes on it. Mainly talking about the graffiti on the back. I gotta try this shit on. Shit's gas, bro. Y'all probably won't be able to see the back on here, so I'm gonna switch angles. But tell me this shit ain't hard, bro. Fire. Something different for sure. But that pretty much does it for this video. I know this was on the shorter side. Low-key got a lot to cut through, but I'm gonna try to make it a fast-paced video for y'all. If you did end up enjoying, leave a like on this one, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all would like to see coming soon, whether it's some fall trend videos, worst trends, whatever. Let me know in the comments. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.